proceed with the unveiling. May I request Vice Governor here for the unveiling of our plaques inside. Vice Governor Attorney Carlito Casado David, please join us as well. We're going to proceed with the reading and the unveiling of the plaque of recognitions here right behind the staircase. Department heads, paging all the department heads to please proceed here.